Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. New on the market for sale is this beautiful 7 bedroom, 5 bathroom house for sale. It is located in Whitehall Negril, Westmoreland, and sits on 0.14 acres. The property is located 3 minutes from the town center of Negril. It is located within minutes of the Negril 7-mile Norman Manley Boulevard, where tourism is buzzing with excitement and lots of activities. The new owner will enjoy a peaceful scenic community with ocean view from the second floor. On the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining. The second floor consists of 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining. The third floor has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, jacuzzi, kitchen, living and dining. The property is outfitted with a solar water heater, stored water for emergency, and is encased in a beautiful garden where you can add more plants of your choice. To the front of the building is an enclosed garage that adds to the charm of the dwelling. There are similar type houses in the community, which helps to maintain the aesthetics and property value. Close by is Rubis and Texaco gas stations, banks, supermarkets, restaurants, doctor's office, police station, pharmacies, farmers market, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 370,000, Jamaican 58.3 million, Canadian 529.6 thousand, Euro 339.8 thousand, or 287.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.